Hello YouTube, Headphone is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about Windows resource protection cannot perform the requested operation problem. So to fix this problem on this video, we are going to use two basic solutions to fix the problem, and this solution will work for all Windows operating system. So let's see solution number one. Solution number one will be checking the Windows installer under the service section. So to do that, click here the search icon and type here services. So here the service application, then open the service application, and after that find for Windows installer on the bottom, which is W, here the Windows installer. So double click on it, and here the Windows installer is under the manual. Make sure it's started, so select here start, and it's starting the Windows installer and it's running. And if it's possible, the startup type, you can make it automatic by clicking here the arrow. In my case it's inactive. In your case, if it is active, click this arrow and make it automatic, or manual is also good, and select here apply if it is active. Then after that click here OK. Then close your service section and check whether the problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, then the second solution for this video will be restoring the health of your Windows operating system using commands. Click here the search icon and type here cmd. Then here the command prompt, so right click on it and select run as administrator. Then confirm by selecting here yes, and here the cmd opened. And here I have some comments that I'm going to put it under the description box, so you can find the link there. So copy the first command, which is restore health. So copy this one and paste it here and press enter. So it will start cleaning up image and restore health. It may take some time, so wait patiently until the process will be completed. So here the restore operation completed successfully. So we can proceed to the next command, which is check disk command. So select this one and copy and paste it here. Just go on the top and right click on it, then select here edit, then paste it and press enter. So check disk will be run on the next time the system start up or the system restarts. So in order to that, type yes or no. So type Y and press enter. So this will be checked the next time the system restarts. When you restart your computer, it starts disk checking and it will ask you to skip the process, but do not skip that process, and it will check your disk, and also it will help you to resolve the Windows resource protection cannot perform the requested operation failure. So restart your computer and wait until the check disk would be fixed. So these are the solutions to solve the Windows resource protection cannot perform the requested operation. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.